What's good, YouTube? We back at it. It's Clout with another video for y'all. I'm probably just gonna throw this clip at the end of the other clip, or make a short or another long form, quick little 3-minute video about the trip I just made to sell. So previously in this video, I had 3 more jackets, all black size large, and I stated that I had to go sell 4 jackets for $800. They didn't buy this white one right here, brand new with tags and bag, size large, because they need me to order a size medium. I complained to them that the jacket runs kind of small and the dude who needs a medium probably needs a large. But the dude kept complaining he needs medium, and he wasn't there to try it on. So they didn't end up buying this one for that guy to flip it to him. So I got to order another one, a white one size medium, and I gotta order a black and extra large. I gotta add that to my bucket list, to what I had already had on the way and what I was gonna order. So yeah, this is the 2 Canada Gooses. This one's brand new. This is the one that I've been wearing at the top, and then this one's brand new. We got Montclair's black and blue, and then we got North Faces in that mountain colorway. Here's the cash from the meetup. Told y'all I was about to start showing y'all the cash flow. Shit. I'm missing one. So I got 600 for 600 for 3 jackets, 200 a piece. And it was supposed to be 700 for those 3 jackets originally, but I don't know, they were just like hesitant on spending that much. So I just told them 200, an extra 200 for the last one, because they didn't need the 3rd large. But they need a white one in medium and then a black and extra large. So I'm about to put these orders in now, and I'm gonna do a screen recording video on me ordering that stuff and letting you know how that goes. But yeah, like I said, this cash flow for these jackets has been easy, bro. This shit is good profit. Like I got hella blues coming in, bro. Like blues, like I don't really be even getting dubs or 50s like that. I be having all blues, bro, from these jackets. So I know that's the wave right now. This the vibe, this the move, this the play right here. When this ends, I got some more sauce, and I'm gonna drop a video on springtime markets and what to resell in the springtime, especially for 2025. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm about to package some of this stuff back up. Or actually, I'm about to take individual photos of each item, then package it up. And I should have took pictures of the black jacket, one of the black jackets, before I sold it. But yeah, I'm about to handle this business right quick, and then we could go from there, or y'all can stay tuned from there, and I'm gonna go from there. Quick 600 right here. And yeah, we working, we grinding. Like I said, if you need any vendors, I charge $10 per vendor, or I could do a bundle deal for anywhere from $70 to $100, where I give you multiple vendors for that much, for that price, 70 to 100. Like I said, we got Canada Goose, Montclair, North Face, just for jackets. I got cologne. I got a Baccarat Rouge in the room. Y'all could go watch my cologne review. I had a Dyson hairdryer I sold. I'll go watch that review. I got Bape hoodies and shit, and Mason Maharos I sold. Y'all go watch all that shit. I'm gonna keep updating y'all as the journey goes on, obviously. And we gonna see what happens. But locked in for sure, I got a medium in white and an extra large black to sell for $400. So I gotta order those. Then I got a woman's jacket size large to sell for $400 alone. So I gotta order, or that's already on the way. Then I got 2 extra larges that I have to order. I need 5 jackets, all black, 3 larges and 2 extra larges. 2 extra larges. So I'm gonna sell those 5 jackets for $750. So that's 8 plus 750 is $1550. And then I got another guy who needs a black one in large for $250. So that's 19. And some people want more women's, so I'm gonna get some more women's. Yeah. But like I said, it's your boy Clout. I'm out. That's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications because we post daily videos and y'all gotta stay tapped in. Stay engaged too. Keep commenting, keep sharing the post, and keep doing that. I like communicating with my with the family, you know, with my followers and subs and stuff, so we can continue to grow together and put each other on unknown knowledge. We not gatekeeping nothing. We just putting y'all on. So that's it for the video. Family, I'm out. $600 today. Quick, easy.